everyone, welcome back to another Starcraft 2 tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do something a bit more interesting this time. Today we're going to be creating an ability that a hero can have, and yeah, okay. So one thing actually I also am going to go over is adding foliage. I still don't know how to say it. As you can see, it's here basically. I was fiddling around with this map, just doing little things, and I wanted to see if I remembered how to do foliage properly, and I did. But one thing though is that when you're in StarCraft 2, you have to have your settings not at low, otherwise it will not do this. Okay, so I'm actually going to create a new map here because this one's kind of blech right now. Legacy of the Void, and I'll include campaign data. Okay, so it will prepare a new map for me, and I'm just gonna make this Belshir 2 EX2, and sure, whatever, I don't really care. Okay, and it will now create another map for me. Basically what I want to do is we're gonna make something kind of like a button, or like an ability basically, that a hero will have, or not hero, just like character will have, and that ability will be able to make your character grow and do more damage and stuff like that. So as you can see as well, actually with the random height, it kind of randomized our terrain so it looks a bit nicer. And okay, so let's add a few units basically, like a few, I don't know, who should we add? Maybe some frickin' Zergs. I hate Zergs. Okay, actually, Zergling. Let's see, let's just add a few crappy little Zergs. You can be there. I'll have just a bunch of these frickin' Zergs, and I'm also gonna actually show you how to add foliage. So go to, here it is, and basically this is where foliage will happen. This is self-explanatory, I guess. Foliage will not appear in that place, but I want it everywhere, and this right here is how much, like, the density of it basically. So I'm gonna make that actually, whoops, yeah, I'm gonna make that about 1, and just click generate foliage, and you can see it has now, get out of that, generated some nice little ground things, just so that I can have you know, it looks nice. It also, I forgot to say, that will change depending on what kind of, like, ground you have. Alright, so let's add our player sword. Let's go back in the units. This will be a, I don't know, marine. Let me see if I can find, here we go. So that guy right there will basically have an ability, and it'll make him grow, do more damage, and stuff like that. And he'll be able to kill these Zerglings instead of him being overrun by them. So I'm gonna open up the data here, and okay, it's open, and we're gonna add the abilities thing. So just click on that, and click edit game data and abilities. Okay, so now we have this, and we can change things. Okay, 1 second. Alright, so one thing actually that will make this a bit better is if we save this, so Control S, or just press that right there, and I'm going to save this as death to all Zergs, and press enter. So now now we have that saved, and I will go back into here, and in abilities I want my data source, yeah, okay, abilities, god damn it, change to abilities. Okay, I want this data source to be death to all Zergs, and so here basically we can create a new ability. So right click and click add ability, and we can call this I don't know, grow, or actually we can call this cocaine. And if you click suggest, it'll basically just do that, and it's pretty nice. Ability type, we want this to be an effect instant, and that's it. Okay, So now we have this ability here. Alright, and now we're going to also want to add the buttons, so find that. Buttons, where the hell is it? Alright, I found it actually. It was in here, and just click buttons, so I'm going to want to add a new button once it frickin' loads. I think we're in it. Yeah, okay, we're in it. And click add button, and we'll call this cocaine. And suggest that, and yeah, whatever. Click OK. And we're going to also want to change the icon because it'll look nicer. So here, double click on that, click browse, and this will go, make this a bit bigger for you. If you type in, I think it's BTN, there is some things that are a bit nicer, so usually it should show a preview. I don't know why it's not. Huh. No, God, please don't change. No. God damn it. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this to respawn 1 second. Okay, so it actually crashed. Don't worry about that. That's why I'm glad I saved before, and I want the phase shift. I believe it is alphabeticalized. Let me see if I can just type in phase shift. Okay, and just click OK. Perfect. Now we have this lovely dude right here. We just click OK, and now self-explanatory again. The icon is not just, you know, some nothing. It is now going to show that. Okay. Okay, and we're also gonna add a hotkey. So, oops, double click there. And we can change this to what should we do it? Or actually, I think that's the wrong one. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so why don't we change this to like R? Maybe actually G for grow. Okay, so now we press G. You know, a little ability will happen, and we're also going to need to add, what is it called again? Yeah, okay, it was effects. So let's see, effects, and in here just right click and make sure that's on as well. Just make things easier, and we'll call this cocaine apply. Maybe I'll copy that, and actually now I can just paste it like that by doing suggest, and we want that to be in apply behavior, and I think that's it for there. Maybe, yep. Okay, sorry, I went to go get something to eat. So click on the effect unit plus thing, and we want this to be caster. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Let me see. Okay, caster. And now we also want to get behaviors. So let's see. Here we go. Add a new behavior. Call this the same thing, just cocaine, and suggest. And we want this to be a buff. So there it is, and that should be it. Okay. Alright, and we're also going to want to make the icon the same thing. So let me just type in phase again and get that phase shift and click OK. And then, alright, and we're also going to want to go to modification, double click on that, and make this a bit bigger. Click on combat, and okay. So we're going to change some stuff in here. The difference between unscaled and scaled is that scaled will basically factor in a little more things, and basically scaled will do more damage, and we're going to be doing scaled. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to want that. Actually, I think we can just select all of those and change this to 10, so that those will all be God damn it! Stop selecting all that. 10 damage, basically. Actually, you know what? Let's make that 100, so it'll basically probably be like an instant kill. Okay. Let me see. What else? Alright, so actually, we're gonna go back to the top, and we're gonna go to unit, I believe. Yes, and go and find, where is it? Alright, so go down and find the Vital Max bonus and change the life to 500. Okay, whoops, damn it, I did not mean to click OK. Double click on that again and go to movement, and we'll also make the movement speed go up. So, movement speed bonus, change this to like 100. And now click OK. Alright, so that'll basically make our guy a lot stronger, more damage, and a lot faster. Alright, then go back into abilities. Yeah, okay, abilities, and find effect wherever that is. Here we go. Double click on that. Should open. Okay. And just type in cocaine. And okay, double click on that. Now we have the cocaine behavior applied to our ability. Alright, so if we press the plus down here, we can see that we have that. We're going to want to click on that, I believe, and find effect again. Where is it? Find the behavior. Okay, here it is. Double click on that. And type in cocaine. Whoops. Alright, double click on that. And now we have the behaviors and effects all with their corresponding like effect. Alright, and we also need to go to cocaine here and find something. Command plus, I believe it is somewhere. Why can I not find it? God damn it. I'm gonna try and find it, then I'll pause. Alright, I realize we need to click on cocaine right there, find commands plus right there, double click on that, and we want execute and choose when it opens cocaine. Now basically when we press on that button, it will do our lovely ability. Okay, so now I want to be able to give our marine the ability to do cool stuff, so change to all data. Okay, type in marine, and our little marine dude will appear, and double click on abilities, and we want to add a new ability, and we want to, crap, I think I did the wrong thing. We want to find cocaine. Yep, okay. There, so now cocaine is like, so you know how when you're playing Starcraft 2 and there's all those abilities right there, and you know how you can, move, right click and it'll move and everything. Well, now there'll be another button, but this time it will have our cocaine image and it will apply our effects. So we're almost done, but now we're going to do the scale thing so that it's a bit easier to see. Otherwise, you might not be able to notice it as much. Click on a command card. And, let me see, okay. Add a new one about like there. Just click plus. And let's see, type in cocaine, I believe. Damn it, no. Cocaine is what I want. And so now, as you can see, our little image of the guys there as well, and we want this to be in ability command, and we want the ability to be cocaine, and yep, alright, so now just click OK, and you're almost done. Okay, and then you want to go down to, I believe here, yep, and find events. So here, double click on there, and just right click and click add events, and we will call this find behavior behavior source. I believe this should be cocaine. Can you search? I've never tried it before. Huh. Okay, I guess you can. So, find cocaine. Let's see, CO should be, there it is, cocaine. And I believe we should make this on. Okay, so now, alright, so now we're gonna make that do something interesting. So click on action damage physics, change that to, type in just set, let me see, set scale. Okay, and let's actually change this to something pretty cool, like 10. So it'll be 10 times the size, and we can make this, how long it will take, 1 second, I think will be good. Okay, so now we're just gonna click on that, click copy, and then just paste it. And then here we want this to be off, so when the ability stops, we want to return this, oops, to normal. And that's it, so just click OK. Alright, so I believe that was it. The reason why I keep pausing is because I have a note card of what I'm doing. Okay, so actually we can just exit out of that. So now I believe this should work. So I'm just gonna test it. Do 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 do. Okay, hope you can see this right now in our pretty lovely, interesting terrain right there. Okay. 0 units. Yeah. Okay, almost there. And don't worry about that. Just click score screen. Or actually, crap. You know, no one saw that. You're gonna want to click just return to game. Okay, so if we go here, basically, actually, can we turn those? That's not what I wanted, but whatever. We should have an ability. Where is it? Did I do something wrong? I think I did. Let's see, if I press G. Nope, okay. I grow completely massive, and we go super fast, and I believe, yeah, plus 100 damage. I'm not sure why the ability was not appearing. It's odd. Anyways, now, holy crap, I think it's just because I'm really big right now, but I also should have a lot more health. So, let's see, can I see my health even? Attack me, dudes. Not sure, but I know it does work. As you can kind of see, it'll work there. If we make this a bit smaller, it might actually work. So I'm just gonna end that, quit, and just gonna alt tab out of there, go back into here, and if we, let's see, go back into abilities. Not sure why the button was not working. And changes to death to all Zergs. So here's our cocaine ability, and if we go into effect, I think it is no, where was it? I think it was behaviors actually. If we look at, yeah, okay, modification, and go to not movements, actually. Yeah, we'll keep that there. But it is actually, I do want that movement speed down just a tad bit, so like just 20. And combat, I think it is. If it would load, no, unit. And we can change the bonus. I think it is where he was. Actually, no. Well, that was good that we changed that, but we do need to change the when he grows. So click on where is it? Abilities, I think it is. Yep. Click on marine. Where is it? Effect. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I found it. You just need to go into units, click on the marine, and then click on the actors marine. And so I'm gonna double click on there. I'm going to want to change that scale just to like 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Okay. So now if I test it, he shouldn't grow too big or move too fast. Hopefully you can actually see this as well. Okay, just click return to game. Go here. I believe these guys will they actually attack me? Okay. They won't. That's probably because we haven't set up anything. But as now, if I press G, you can see our cocaine ability is on, and I have grown a little bit, but I should be able to just blow them up. Oh, why can I not kill them? I think because they're friendly to me. But yeah, get the point anyways. It will work if this video is already insanely long, but if you spend time and make it so that you make things actually fight each other. So thank you for watching. Sorry that was a bit long and boring, but yeah, thanks for watching.